So. Hi everyone, welcome back to Elegant Designs by B, where we create lasting impressions through elegant design. And if this is your first time to my channel, thank you for joining. Please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, because on this channel you'll find home decor, DIYs, event content. So in today's video, I'm participating in a close collaboration hosted by the Glam Squad. And this collaboration is the Tropical Vibe Decor. And the members of this squad are Glamour Ellen, Renters Love Luxury by Ann, and myself, Elegant Designs by B. Please head over to the other ladies' channel and check out their video. And they also have amazing contents to share. Please show your support. And the links to their channel will be in the description box below. So for my Tropical Vibe Decor, I styled a tablescape using the colors green, orange. I incorporated black and white and gold. So for my centerpiece, the tray is from Ross. I added some succulents from Dollar Tree. The coasters are from Burlington, and the candle votives are from Dollar Tree. The vase is from Burlington, and the palm leaves are from Hobby Lobby. And there's actually 2 of the palm leaves are in there. So for my place settings, the 6 place settings are basically the same. They're just 2 or 3 items are slightly different. So for my place settings, the placemats are from Home Goods. The chargers are from Burlington. The salad plates are from Walmart. The dinner plates are from Dollar Tree. The orange napkins are from CV Linens. And the napkin rings are from Hobby Lobby. The glittered green leaves, and those were DIY using my Cricut machine. And the glitter paper are from Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a pack. And the image, basically pulled it from Google, palm leaves, PNG. The flatwares are from Walmart. The mugs are also a set of the salad plates, and those are from Walmart as well. For my drinkware, the wine glass with the gold trim are from Home Goods. And the smoked black wine glass are from Dollar Tree. Here on the head seating, I placed the square placemats, and those are from Burlington. For the mugs, those were also DIY. The mugs are from Dollar Tree. Using my Cricut machine again, I did the blessed sign using the glittered HTV transfer paper. And the centerpiece, I failed to mention these succulents are from Dollar Tree. On the other side of the head table, the mug, same mug, but I did a John 3 verse 16. Again, using the heat transferred paper through my Cricut machine. And on both sides of the centerpiece, the candle holders are from Burlington. So this concludes my tropical vibe, decor, tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and tapping that notification bell twice so you'll know when I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.
you.